English shortened newspaper dictation 120 words per minute. If you want outlines, I will attach today 3 p.m. Start. Twitter appears to have lost its intermediary status in India as it is yet to comply with the country's revised regulations that came into effect on May 26, according to top government officials who said the microblogging platform could now be liable for content on its site under the Indian Penal Code and the IT Act. However, Twitter on Tuesday evening said it has appointed an inter-chief compliance office and will soon share the details with the government. The San Francisco-based company is yet to appoint 3 key executives required by Indians' new IT rules to be permanent employees. Dispute several nudges from the government, including a lost notice sent on June 5. The company has appointed a lawyer as its grievances and nodal officer on a contractual basis only, source said. The interpretation of the law suggested that the company came into effect on the May 26 and those who did not comply with it, their status stands withdrawn, said one of the senior officials cited above. They will no longer be able to claim protection under the safe harbor clause, the person added. Retail sales in India slipped 79% in May compared with pre-COVID sales in the same month in 2019 as businesses across states were closed due to the second wave of the pandemic. A survey by Retailers Association of India RAI showed the decline in sales was the steepest in West and North India, which witnessed an 83% dip last month as compared with May 2019. RAI said in a statement, Eastern region say a decline of 75% while South was relatively better with a contraction of 73% as compared to the same month in 2019. On a consequential basis, the decline in May was much steeper compared with the previous month when overall sales across India were down 49% as compared with April 2019. The survey showed retailers are looking forward to some improvement in June with gradual unlocking. However, the industry needs the collective support of various governments bodies to tide over the present situation, RAI CEO Kumar Rajagopalan said. The Chinese scientists at the center of theories that COVID-19 originated with a leak from a specialized lab in the city of Wuhan has denied that their institution was to blame for the pandemic. How on earth can I offer up evidence for something where there is no evidence? Doctor told the New York Times. I do not know how the world has come to this, consequently pouring filth on an innocent scientist. Doctor is an expert in bad coronaviruses and some scientists have said she could not have been leading so-called gain of function experiments in which scientists increase the strength of a virus to better study its effects on host. Stop.